Hello and welcome to this week's What's Hot, and it is the season with the letter C. Now, we've already discussed the cyber attacks on Marks and Spencer's and the company's statement released on Tuesday, the 13th of May about the incident has been described by many as reasoned, and many saw the share price at post-attack levels as a buying opportunity. Then there's the C for Conroy Gold and Natural Resources, which has already told investors it has discovered two district gold trends in the Longford Down Massif in Ireland. Now, this week it's told shareholders it's discovered antimony-bearing float samples from its Clontibret gold deposit in County Monaghan. Now, the samples have returned high gold grades. Shares, though, hovering at near all-time listed lows. But a recent well-listened to podcast has compared the stock to Greatland Gold, which, as we know, has quite a fan base. And on to another C, that of cynicism. And while there is an element of London Stock Exchange bashing, there are its believers. Which brings me to another C, that of metal investment company Cobalt Holdings. It's announced plans to float in London in June. It plans to raise roughly £174 million, with commodities trader Glencore due to take a 10% stake. Now, the idea is to buy up a supply of the metal, which is a crucial element in electric car batteries, and to do so from Glencore. Now, the Cobalt Holdings company has been co-founded by Jake Greenberg, who is also one of the co-founders of Yellow Cake. That's the company that buys and holds uranium for nuclear fuel. Now, Yellow Cake's valuation at about £1 billion is more than double what it was worth in July 2018 when the shares floated. And then there's ice cream. A few months ago, Unilever spun off its ice cream division, choosing the name Magnum as the division name for obvious reasons. Now, Magnum should go public by the end of the year, with rumours of multiple listings in Amsterdam, London and New York. There is a fly in the ointment, though, because one of that portfolio is Ben & Jerry's, and Ben & Jerry's wants to buy the brand back. Unilever says the brand is not for sale. Now, ice cream just wasn't performing for Unilever like the rest of its portfolio, with health and well-being and prestige beauty combined, delivering double-digit growth for 15 consecutive quarters. And in terms of listings, we've also learned this week that i4X Financial Trading wants to list on the main market. It wants to raise £5 million and hopes to achieve a market valuation of £50 million. So what does the business do? It has an online and mobile contract for difference trading platform. Clients can trade in currencies, commodities, indices, cryptocurrencies, shares and exchange traded funds. Thanks for watching. I hope you're well, and I'll see you same time next week.